Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic name is perimeter and area of a plane figures. We know what is perimeter. In previous class we discussed it. I just want to remind you. Perimeter means the sum of the measures of lengths of a closed figure is called its perimeter. What name? The sum of the measures of the lengths of a closed figure is called its perimeter. Okay, and as well as what is area? Area means what? The definition of area: the amount of surface, the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure, enclosed by a closed figure is called area. We know the units for perimeter. What are the units for perimeter? And just meter, centimeter, you can write like that. What are the given units? That only. Okay, now the units for area, that is always square units only. Okay, now for like that square centimeters, square meters. Okay, now see here, for example, I'm taking the plane figures, means that are what are 2D figures, two-dimensional figures. Okay, now see the some of the plane figures here. First one, square. Okay, square is the plane figure. We know what you know about square. A square having all sides are equal. Each angle measures 90 degrees and the diagonals of a square are equal. Okay, so you can take like this. The side of a square is, you can take A is a side. This is what now? A is a side. So what is its perimeter? Perimeter is equals to, that is 4 into side. 4 into side. Just in units. ఇక్కడ ఎలా వస్తుంది అంటే a square having all sides are equal కదా. Perimeter means what nana? The sum of the lengths of all sides. So by adding side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, all sides add cheste, that is nothing but 4 into side 1. Okay na? So this is the perimeter for square. And like that only area. Area is equals to, what is the formula now? That is side into side. Area is always square units. Okay now? What is the area for square now? That is side into side. We get the area. Okay now? Enclosed by a closed figure. Now I want to explain here by taking examples. By taking the side of a square. Okay? For example, the side of a square is 7.5 centimeters. What is the side of a square, Nana? 7.5 centimeters. See here, 7.5. Here also 7.5 centimeters. Here also 7.5 centimeters. Here also 7.5 centimeters. Because of a square having all sides are equal. Now perimeter means what? Perimeter means that is nothing but sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed figure. Simply ఒక నేమ్ ఇచ్చేద్దాం. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. By adding sum of the lengths of all sides means we get here AB plus BC plus
CD plus A.
plus DA. AB, BC, CD, DA. All sides ni adding చేస్తాం. See here AB means that is 7.5 centimeter plus BC also 7.5 centimeter plus CD means that is 7.5 centimeter plus DA means that is also 7.5 centimeters. By adding 7.5 that is 15 and 7.5 plus 7.5 that is 15.
30.
So clearly we get that is what Nana? 30 centimeters. So by doing like this 7.5 7.5 7.5 7.5. Okay, see 5 5 5 5 4 5s that is 20 here 2 7 7 7 7 4 7s
28.
4 7s are 28 plus 2
30.
30. Keep your point means 30.0. So this is the perimeter by adding the all sides. అదే ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్గా ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా, డైరెక్ట్లీ యూజింగ్ ఫార్ములా. perimeter of a square is equals to that is 4 into length of any side. ఓకేనా, వాట్ నానా? perimeter of a square is equals to what is the formula? 4 into length of any side. So 4 into side means the length of any side means you can take any ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా ఒకటి తీసేసుకోండి. 7.5 centimeters. 4 into 7.5 you just do the actual division. ఒకసారి చేసి చూడండి ఏమవుతుంది. ఓకే, 7.5 into 4 4 5s are 20 0 4 7s are 28 plus 2 that is 30. See here, point after what digit is there, then what digit before is equal to 0 means you get 30. So by using formula you can find the perimeter of a square easy. Okay, now see area. How to find the area of a square? What is the area? Area means area of a square is equals to that is side into side. So area is always square units. Okay, what is the side, Nana? The side of a square is given 7.5 centimeter. Okay, na 7.5 into the side of a square means again 7.5. Square units means what?
Meter square.
And this square centimeters. Now 7.5 into 7.5 you just multiply 7.5 into 7.5. 5 5s are 25 5 5 7s are 35 35 ki 2 add cheste
48.
you get 35 plus 2 37. Okay, take here 0 or into mark, then go for the next digit. 7 5s are 35. Right here 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 3 means that is 52. By adding we get 5 7 plus 5 12. Here 1 3 plus 2 plus 1 that is 6 5. Here point after one digit, point after another digit, then you just keep a point two digits from right to left. So we get that is 56.25 square centimeters. So like this you can find the area of a square. Okay, now students, now let us go for the next one. Next plane figure is a rectangle. Rectangle. We know this is a rectangle. So this is the length of a rectangle and this is the breadth of a rectangle. Okay. This is rectangle. This is the length of a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. and as well as parallel. Opposite sides are equal and as well as parallel. Okay? Each angle measures what, Anna? In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay? Here, see how to find the perimeter. ఇక్కడ rectangle ki perimeter formula ఎలా find out చేస్తారో. Perimeter means what? Sum of length of all sides of a closed figure. మొత్తం ఉన్న అన్ని సైడ్స్ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ఒక సైడ్ ఎల్ ప్లస్ అనదర్ బి బ్రెడ్త్. ఎల్ మీన్స్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ఎ రెక్టాంగిల్, బి మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ బ్రెడ్త్ ఆఫ్ ఎ రెక్టాంగిల్. హియర్ లెంత్, హియర్ బ్రెడ్త్. Now see clearly, length. How many lengths are there? 2 lengths plus breadth. 2 breadths. By taking the common, ikkada 2 undi, ikkada 2 undi. So by just take out the common 2. 2 ni common తీసేయండి, బయటకి లాగేసేయండి. So here L plus B. So the perimeter of a rectangle is equals to, what is the formula, Nana? That is 2 of L plus B. Then by taking an example, I want to find the perimeter and the area of a rectangle. Okay, see now. So this is a rectangle. This is the length of a rectangle and this is the breadth of it. The length of a rectangle is given 1 centimeter and the breadth of a rectangle is 7 centimeters. Okay, now what is the perimeter? The perimeter of a rectangle is equals to, that is 2 of L plus B. 2 of length plus breadth. Just units. Okay now. See now. 2 means I am writing 2 only. Length means, what is the length of a rectangle? That is 12 centimeter. Plus B means breadth of a rectangle. What is the breadth of a rectangle? That is 7 centimeters.
20.
Units means
90
centimeters. Yes, centimeters. So 2 of 7, 12 plus 7 means what?
20.
That is 90. Okay, now 2 ఇలా bracket ఉంటే half nothing but into 2 19s are what, Nana? 38 centimeters. So like this we can find a perimeter of a rectangle. Now see its area. What is the area of a rectangle? The area of a rectangle is length into breadth, square units. Okay, now length is given 12, breadth is given 7 centimeters. Units means square centimeters. 12 sevens are what? That is 84 square centimeters. So like this, by using the formulas, we can find the perimeter and area of a plane figures. Thank you.